Hello, so I have shared these slides with you on email, and today I would like to show you how to use Peardeck to improve your Google Slides teaching, I guess you could say. So the first thing is to use Peardeck, you have to press add-ons. This should pop up, Peardeck for Google Slides add-on. You have all received an email, and you need to click on the email in order to get this add-on for free. You press Open Peardeck add-on, and then this should pop up on the side. The other thing I wanted to mention too, as French teachers and Spanish teachers, we can also use the Easy Accents add-on. So if you press Easy Accents Start, that's a great and easy way as well to insert accents into your lessons. I'm just going to get rid of this because going back to Peardeck. Add-ons, Peardeck, Open Peardeck add-on. I'm going to talk about a couple of things with Peardeck. First of all, what the Peardeck add-on does is if you press text, then it makes your slide interactive so the students can write down their answers as the slide pops up, which is pretty cool because you can use it as formative assessment and you can see where the knowledge gaps are as you're teaching. Now, if you'd like to keep a record of the answers and if you don't want to show the whole class what each student is doing, you can open up your Peardeck on your phone. You can open up the teacher dashboard on the phone. And I don't teach without doing that, actually, because you can see who's engaging in the lesson on the teacher dashboard. And I will send you the link for that. It's just peardeck.com/dash. That's the link for the teacher dashboard. But again, I'll send you the details by email. So how do you start a Peardeck lesson? Pretty straightforward. You just press Start Lesson. And you click Instructor Paste. Student Paste would be more so if you're doing an activity in class and you're giving them lots of time to complete the activity and you want to monitor how each student is doing without maybe approaching them and circulating. So this is a good way to quote unquote circulate and monitor from your laptop. So the launching of the presentation reminds me a little bit of Kahoot because a code pops up as well as a link that you can share with your students. Now with the code, you can easily share that while you're in class and they can join the presentation. However, when I'm teaching online, I usually copy and paste this link here. It says give students a link. So I usually click on here. It automatically copies and I paste it onto my Google Meet. Now, if you see here, this says Open Teacher Dashboard. Now, if you're using two screens, you can open the teacher dashboard and then press Extend and extend this lesson on the other screen and then have your teacher dashboard open. Or, like I said, if you type in the peardeck.com/dash, that can appear on your phone and you can see all the students' answers right on your phone. So here is the code. Students can just type it in and join your lesson. It's pretty cool and pretty straightforward. Now I'm going to walk you through a few of my slides and show you some of the interesting slides you can add to Peardeck. So the first one I showed you was pretty straightforward. It's a text that you can add to a slide. You can also add a multiple choice option, numbers, websites. You can also, what I like with French is you can add audio. So for example, you can say a sentence and then you can get them to try to say it. Here are some other cool slides. So locate where your family's from because we're going over family vocabulary. This slide is about Google Earth. So the students can click on this slide and actually explore the region using Google Earth. I have time slides so they can label the clock. And then there are also reflection pieces. So at the very end, there is a reflection that they can do